friends, I welcome you all in your channel, The Sovereign Thought. Today we have Nana Jindal with us, who scored AIR 05 in AI-led PG exam. So first of all, I would like to congratulate Nana for your success in
Thank you
exam.
so much. Thank you
So
so much, Pradeep.
नैना सबसे पहले हम जानना चाहेंगे कि आपने इस एग्जाम के लिए कोई कोचिंग ली है या फिर खुद से प्रिपेयर किया है?
I prepared on my own. कोचिंग
ओके
नहीं ली थी मैंने.
ओके तो आपकी क्या स्ट्रेटेजी क्या रही है प्रिपरेशन को लेकर के? थोड़ा आप बताएंगे हमारे व्यूअर्स को या जो स्टूडेंट्स अभी अपीयर होने वाले हैं.
Sure. So, Pratik, firstly, what I do for any exam that I appear for is that I see the past year question papers and I analyze at least 5 years past year exam question papers and I see how many questions have come this subject se. But then majority of the times only 5-6 subjects were there which were very very prominent. So I chose to focus on that. And of course I also saw the areas in that particular subject. For example, in Contracts Act, for section 1 to 72, so they are more prominent and more likely to come as opposed to rest of the Contracts Act. So as similarly in IPC, like general exceptions ho gaya, and then there's murder, culpable homicide, abetment. So these are only, of course this is not an exhaustive list that I just said about, but they're like various areas which are more likely to come. So because I personally planned to take ALET very very late, तो मैंने कुछ मार्च में डिसाइड किया था, मार्च अप्रैल में. So I had like 2 to 3 months. तो उस हिसाब से then I did a very strategic study and it was very very easy. It wasn't very difficult.
नैना आपने कोई मॉक टेस्ट वगैरह या जो क्वेश्चन बैंक्स है उससे प्रैक्टिस किया है?
प्रतीक, मैंने कोई मॉक टेस्ट नहीं लिए थे, बट आई डिड डेफिनेटली सॉल्व ऑल द पास्ट ईयर्स लाइक आई ऑलरेडी टॉक्ड अबाउट. उसके अलावा मैंने आई डिड, मतलब मैंने कोई प्लान नहीं लिया था ऑनलाइन कहीं से, बट फ्री, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फ्री मॉक टेस्ट्स दैट यू कैन फाइंड ऑनलाइन. बट एलेक में एक इशू इज दैट इज जनरली फेस्ड बाय पीपल बिकॉज क्लैट का जो सिलेबस हो गया है वो बहुत डिफरेंट हो चुका है अब. So generally people work towards CLAT. So generally you will find mock tests CLAT which are CLAT related and उसके CLAT के pattern में which are paragraph style. And ALET का because वो नहीं होता है, so generally it's very very difficult to find those. But I suggest if somebody wants to look for the mock tests, so what they can do is there's this single publications की 4 volumes which are subject based, so they can go for those and they can solve those question papers, although they are for judiciary, but उसमें included होते हैं ALET and CLAT के past year questions. So it's very useful for people who want to do that.
नैना आपकी जो स्टडी आवर्स रहते थे, तो कितने टाइम आप स्टडी करते थे आईलेट की प्रिपरेशन के लिए, या क्या आपकी स्ट्रेटेजी जो रहती थी इसके लिए वो आप बताएंगे?
Yes, yes, sure. So I just hope not to scare the viewers, but I would like to point out that I really really started very late. I started in March, April from scratch. So I had not done any judiciary prep. I had not done anything, and I started very late. So I had to put in a lot more effort than somebody who would start probably seven months back. So what I decided was that I did जैसे 5 subjects से, for example I focused on IPC, constitution, contracts, then jurisprudence and public international law. तो ये 5 ही subjects थे, तो मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा हर subject का हर रोज कर लेती थी. And like I would fix कि मुझे ये topic cover करना है आज for every subject. But then side by side, like probably half of my day, or in fact 75% of my day would go into covering the syllabus, but the rest of the 25% of my day would go into revising. So I would revise probably 2 subjects थोड़े थोड़े करके, or probably 3 subjects थोड़े थोड़े करके, and that is how I started my prep. But slowly towards the end of it, जो भी मैंने नहीं किया था cover, I completely left it aside and I slowly started focusing on revising it, because revision is way more important as compared to covering the syllabus, because it's there's no point अगर आप cover करके चले जाओ and then you completely blank there. So it's you need to go through the content again and again and again. So that is what I also focused on towards the end of my preparation.
क्या टिप्स देना चाहेंगे जो स्टूडेंट्स इस बार अपीयर होने वाले हैं लाइक के लिए कि आपने कुछ मिस्टेक्स जो की होंगी जिसको वो ना करें, आपकी मिस्टेक से बेनिफिट वो ले सकें?
Okay, sure. So there are probably 3 tips that I want to give. First is the most important one, that is revision. You cannot go without revision. It's the most important bit in any exam, not just ALET exam. Secondly, you need to do a smart study. So there is no end to law. There is no end to any competitive exams syllabus. So आप IPC का R&D पढ़ सकते हैं, आप कोई भी commentary book पढ़ सकते हैं. Even then, it's not like you'll be a master of IPC. So you need to do it according to the exam, how much the exam is required to requiring you to prepare. तो आप उस हिसाब से prepare करें. And आप जो आपकी knowledge base है वो slowly and over the years अपने आप बढ़ने लग जाएगी. And I mean, if you want to work for a particular subject, आप वो कर सकते हैं. But for the exam, you need to do it very, very smartly and very strategically. Thirdly, for ALET, this is especially for ALET. So a lot of my friends I've noticed, so because they're preparing for CLAT, and CLAT may jurisprudence and public international law do not play a very, very big role. So they let it slide. So that is also the make and break actually in ALET exams. So since the seats are very less, there are only 30 seats for general. And so what I've seen is that it is, and almost 25% of the question paper comes from these 2 areas. So this becomes very, very important. And I understand that jurisprudence is something, it's considered to be very difficult, and generally उस जो fear होता है उसके कारण भी लोग prepare नहीं कर पाते. So I suggest you can just watch YouTube videos if nothing else. It gives a very, very good stand in these subjects, and आप at least बहुत ही simple questions तो नहीं छोड़ेंगे अपने उस subject से. So I think that's about it for ALET.
Thank you, Naina. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome, Prateek. Anytime.